Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening according to the time you're watching my video right now. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how to extract PLP file. In my last video, I shared with you birthday PLP file, which I know not everyone needs this, but actually since I've already dropped that, I need to drop a video on how to extract PLP file to your Pixel app. So what we have to do right now is I go to my YouTube channel. I go to my YouTube. So once you get to my YouTube channel, all you have to do is, let's say this video is teaching you how to extract PLP file. Okay, so this is the PLP file you want to extract. You understand? Even if it's not this one, maybe after this video you are watching right now, I drop another video about PLP file. It's the same way you extract this, it's the same way you extract that one as well. You understand? Just make sure download link, click on it, it will take you to my Telegram group. So you should land somewhere around here like this. Do you see that? So this is the download link for the, sometimes I might put the link, the file in media file, but I love to put it in Telegram, so at least you'll be able to join the Telegram group directly without stressing yourself. So you tap on it, you download this app called ZArchiver. Okay, so you download this app as well. Okay, you download this app. So this is it, this is how it looks, but we are not extracting it from here, we are extracting it from Telegram. Okay, so just once, then all you have to do here is, let me bring in my, so all you have to do is to select here, here and here. Don't tap this space, like don't tap here. If you tap here, you are trying to open the file, but we are trying to extract, not open. So you have to tap the icon. Sorry, that was a mistake. Sorry. That was a mistake. Then you have to go back again. Sorry, that's our old Telegram group. Okay, we tap on it. The old Telegram group has been disabled, that's why. So we tap on the icon, can you see? Then once you tap on the icon, the next thing you have to do is click on this arrow. Once you click on this arrow, the arrow will look down. As you can see, it's looking down, and that means the file is ready to be extracted. So what you have to do right now is to go to your Pixel app, then go to your presets. Once you use your presets, just click on this plus icon. Once you click on this plus icon, click on new folder, not new file. I come to my presets and I click on that plus icon, then I'm clicking on my folder, not what's it called, not new file, new folder. So if you click on that new folder, your folder, it should be new, so and it should be automatically named. Okay, if your folder is automatically named, the name can be anything, it can be number, it can be name, it can be what I used to save it. You understand? Once your folder is automatically named, then you are doing the right thing. Can you see? So it's automatically named. Just click on OK or rename the file. Okay, so I don't want to rename the file, let me just use this. Then I click on OK. After clicking on OK, what I have to do right now is to click on this. Once I click on this, then I will have the file in my Pixel app. So let me go to my Pixel app right now. I have this in my project already. Yes. Okay. If you are new to Pixel app, this is what you will see. That one you just seen is just one of my old project, one of my recent projects rather. So the PLP file we extract right now, for you to see it, you have to tap here. Sorry, I mean tap here, Jerry project, my project. Then you will easily see it up here. Can you see? This is the one I shared. Then I re-extract it, that's why it's up here. I hope you understand now. So you can click on it right now. You can edit whatever you want here and do whatever you want. So this video is about how to extract PLP file. That's how to extract PLP file. In any situation, that's how you extract it. Even if you start from ZArchiver, click on it, click on that arrow that looks up. Then once the arrow looks down, that means it's ready to extract. Find your Pixel app, go to presets, click on that plus icon, new folder. The folder should be automatically named. You can rename the name or leave it like that. Once you click on OK, then click on that arrow that looks down. Then you should be able to see your file in your Pixel app. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now. Meet next tutorial again with another outtake. Bye.